Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I did a sign a few weeks ago showing vintage, like rustic, not so much vintage, I don't know where I'm going with this, rustic Halloween turned into a fall decor sign using the same piece of wood and embellishments from Dollar Tree. So now I'm going to show you how to flip your fall sign over and use the same exact sign that we made a couple weeks ago and turn it into a cute rustic Christmas sign. Here's that Halloween sign. If you guys have watched that video, I used Dollar Tree items and just a piece of wood I had laying in my shed to create this cute Halloween sign. Then I turned it into a fall sign. So this is so affordable. I've used this piece of wood and the same embellishments 3 times. And I turned this sign into such a cute little fall sign. So now we're going to flip it over and use the same techniques to make a Christmas sign. And Dollar Tree has these cute little snowmen and gingerbread and stocking, kind of like velvet, I guess, pieces. They are great for projects or to use as templates. And as you can see, so many come in a package for $1. So I decided to use the snowman, and I put 3 snowmen on the back side of my fall sign. And if you watch that video, I had stained both sides because I knew I was going to be using the sign in so many different ways. And I'm putting my snowmen down and just adding a couple dollops of hot glue to secure them to the sign. I love how many you can get in a package because you can use these for so many different projects and it only costs $1. So like I did in the previous sign, I glued these down. These snowmen are just so stinking cute. Once they were glued down, I used actually Kohl, staying within the season here, for Martha Stewart, to paint the hats on these snowmen. Now these little, I guess, I don't know what they are, what material they are, but boy, they soaked in the paint. So it took about 2 or 3 coats on the hats to get that black to be as dark as I wanted it to. So I got a little ahead of myself here. I didn't paint the hats next. I'll do that after this step. I went into my stockpile and I had some buttons. Some are black, some are like navy blue. I just wanted a dark button, and I hot glued those little buttons down where the holes are in the snowman for the buttons on the felt snowman. Yeah, I'm not making any sense right now. But anyway, I took my buttons and I hot glued those down into the holes.
Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling.
Okay, now I came back in with my Kohl paint and I painted the hats. I did it right on the sign. I was just careful not to hit the wood. And like I said, it took 2 or 3 coats to get it as dark as I wanted it to, because the little snowman just kept sucking that paint up.
Christmas in my heart, and I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good.
Now I came in with some buffalo check ribbon and I made him some scarves. And I just added a line of hot glue, set the ribbon down, and then folded it over and secured it with some more hot glue so it looked like it was folded over and hanging down in front of him. I did this on all 3 snowmen.
Christmas We're gonna dance.
We're gonna
okay?
dance, dance, dance,
Come on.
dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.
I had some burlap ribbon and I thought that would look great if I hot glued it to the top and the bottom. And even though I'm hot gluing it on the side where my fall sign is, it still fits with that decor also. So it was an added bonus and it still looked good on both sides. So I cut the ribbon in half and then I just hot glued it to the top and the bottom of the sign.
Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang.
And there it is. I absolutely love Snowman, and I think this sign came out so cute. And it's used for both seasons, fall and Christmas, which is a bonus and very affordable. Using just a piece of wood I created actually 3 signs for the different holidays and seasons. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel. And this is part of my series, 25 DIY videos to Christmas. So I love y'all. I hope you're having a blessed and wonderful day and a happy Christmas season. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, y'all.
And I can promise Santa's coming to visit.